Hello everyone, Krishna is here again. In this video, I'm going to unbox and show you some of the interesting features of our star product A&T Jarvis U3. So let's get into the video quickly. So let's open the box and see the accessories and the camera inside the boxes. We have a remote control. We have an HDMI cable. We have a USB 3.0 cable. We have a power adapter. Two lenses. One is the secondary lens and there is a primary lens here. And you can see the various interfaces which is being used for different applications. So all are given here. So let's quickly get into the features video now. So let me show you the salient features of Jarvis U3. So I'm going to show you the audio tracking, auto framing, and some of the presets. So let me just start with speaker tracking first. So I've enabled the speaker tracking. So if you see, as soon as I've enabled the speaker tracking, you can see the secondary camera view and then the camera position the speaker now. So I would like to request one of my colleagues to speak now so that the camera can focus him. Vignesh.
Hi, I am Vignesh. I am working as a solution engineer at A&T Video Networks.
So as soon as Vignesh starts to speak, the camera focused him. So you have to speak continuously for 3 to 4 seconds so that the camera can recognize where the audio is coming from. Since the camera is having 8 microphones, the camera can sense the audio properly, and then the camera focus the main camera focus the speaker. So I would like to request my another colleague to speak now.
Hi, I am Emmanuel. I am working as a graphic designer at A&T Video Network Private Limited.
So that is all about the speaker tracking feature in Jarvis U3. Now I'm going to stop the speaker tracking and I'm going to show you the presets so that you can see the zooming capacity of the camera. So I have stopped the speaker tracking feature now. So let me just recall the presets which is already set in this camera. So this is preset number 1. This is preset number 2. This is preset number 3. And this is preset number 4. So from this angle, you can see the zooming capacity of the camera. The camera is having 12x optical zoom and 16x digital zoom. So you can see the full zoom in. So the length of this room is about 25 feet. So the camera can focus the last object from this position in deeply. So you can see the quality of the camera. So that's all about Jarvis U3's features. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.